Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we have this 22 Tundra in here. This has the AVS rear system in it. This gentleman actually took his car to another shop, and because it had AVS, it wasn't something that they wanted to mess with. So we make our kit for the AVS trucks. We do see time to time people having problems with the alignment on the rear rods, but here this is installed properly. The truck sits right. You can see how it sits front to back. It even has a set of wheels and tires in the back that were actually brought to us. We ended up doing a new set of wheels and tires on it. The wheels and tires that were brought to us had a different offset. They didn't work as well. There were 285/70 18s on these ones. 285/70 17s. So we went up to a 35 on this. Pinned back the liner with the right correct offset on this. We were able to get this thing without any kind of rubbing or any issues or any trimming in the fenders at all. But again, we talk about this all the time and how important it is to make sure that that rod that the arm is bolted to it doesn't rotate, whether you're taking off the lock nut or installing the lock nut, that rod doesn't rotate behind it, because it will cause the suspension to go into failure mode or to go into shutdown. And it'll basically put the car down on the bump stop in the back until both arms get resynchronized together, which can be a process for some people. But we do enough of them. We do a ton of them, actually, not enough of them. We do a ton of them. And so we've got it down pretty good. So this truck gives you a good idea as far as stance go on this truck. This is a limited model. You can see it's got a little bit of offset here. Looks great, and just got a little bit of poke on the tires on this one. So we wanted to share this with you, and hope you guys enjoy it. This is magnetic gray metallic in this truck, and it's got obviously the painted flares on it. The mustache is still factory on it. They're going to do some paint work here shortly on this truck as well. So let us know what you guys think.